At long last, I have started the rebuild of my 1972 Superbeetle engine. Today on figuringstuffout.net, I will show you assembling the crankshaft. That's the first step to assembling the engine. I hope you enjoy. So this is my reground crankshaft. Same crankshaft that came out of the engine when I disassembled it, but now it's been reground once. The number 3 and the number 4 bearings on. And hopefully this is the last time I will see it in this condition. I'm about to stick the flywheel on it as a temporary assembly stand so that I can put the gears on it. So now I have just loosely bolted the flywheel to the crankshaft, and now I'm going to take it in and get the crankshaft gears put on. I'm oiling the number 3 bearing. I'm going to slide it onto the crankshaft. The dowel pin toward the flywheel. Now we turn the burner on to heat up the gear so we can pick it up and it will expand enough to fit onto the crankshaft. You have to make sure the 2 dots are up. It's smoking a little bit, that's how I know it's ready. Bang! This is the gear that drives the camshaft. Now I'm going to put on the gear that drives the distributor. No, I'm not. I'm going to get the spacer. This spacer goes in between the 2 gears. It's got a VW logo and everything. There you go. Above that is the lock ring. Yep, there we go. It fits, and the lock ring spins nicely, which means that the gears are down far enough. Something that's kind of funny about this crankshaft, I just carried it back from the kitchen. This part is distinctly cold. This part is distinctly warm. So this big gear holds enough heat that warms up the whole top of the crankshaft. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you use it for an inspiration for working on your own car or working on your own airplane or whatever. Always be learning new stuff and never stop figuring stuff out.